All right, my guys, right here I got my water. Both of these are water. No, the small one is electrolytes. Both of these are just water. Ready to go. Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big at work. I'm ready to go. Actually, I gotta do my paperwork first, and then I'll be ready to go. All right, I'm collecting over here next to Universal Studios. We got a bird's eye view. Can we see a tram? Or there's a green screen, or should I say blue screen, for the water scenes. I think I see a glamour tram, the top of it right there. And the castle. Harry Potter castle. Oh, that doesn't look too good. Anyways, let's move on. So right here we got ourselves a small little street. A lot of construction from this house. This truck came up to the front of my truck, and I'm like, well, I ain't gonna reverse this big truck. What's easier to reverse, that little pickup truck, which is awesome? I like that little truck, the Toyota truck, or this giant garbage truck? So I stayed put. He figured out I ain't reversing, and it happens a lot. There'll be little Priuses with their little backups, cameras and sensors, and they expect me to back up. I'm not backing up, not unless it depends on the situation. But most of the time, it'll be better if you back up with your little tiny car compared to this giant garbage truck that is. I think this truck in front of me is electric. It's a white one. Anyways, that big old truck, he's spraying water for dust control. Look at that. Literally next. Man, I haven't even seen the Mac anymore. That's just one time that I seen it, that I recorded it, and that's it. I don't know where it went. A bunch of beds in this one. Anybody need a mattress? Recycle, reuse? Just kidding. How did you know I needed a bed?
A bed?
A bed.
Oh,
a mattress. Good. Let's make sure the tailgate is closed properly. No trash hanging. As always, our next stop is going to be Arco, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to need some fuel to end the day. Let's check our pressure. It's about 1500. Might as well fuel while we break out of route. Let's go. We are back at Arco, my guys. This morning I was only able to get like 3,500 PSI, 36 at the most, I believe. Now I think it was about 35, but that was at my yard. This one always gives me a good top off. We'll see. And I just noticed that I lost the mud flap at the landfill. I'm gonna have to write that up today, and fire extinguisher. It's missing a tamper seal. Got that information on one of the comments. Thank you very much. So we're at 3,900. Yep, I got better fuel top off over here. Tip number 100. Break down your boxes. Do you guys see what I see? And it's empty. The nerve. And it's not even in the recycle. It's recyclable. see what happens to that box. There she goes. And timber. Boom. Good job. Right, pedestrian coming through. He's out of the way. Looking at my mirrors. Try not to damage the bumper of cars. Easy does it. Boom. One bag? Are you serious? So I just completed my route. I got extra work, but my route is clean, and I finished over here next to this park. This is not my route, but I sure do like it. But every time I'm on this route, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Yeah, I'm right next to Universal Studios still. I had breakfast before I came to work. That was like at 4:45 a.m. I don't know why I'm hungry. I already ate nothing. Let's go get some lunch. It's been 8 hours since breakfast. Looks like I'm almost done here. Let's roll down the window. Oh, I can see better. I was on the phone, that's why my window was up. But I prefer it down. Much clearer view. Oh, I think one more to go. This is my extra work. Nice. Put away our clamp. Park lock. Unlock. It's good. Let's go to the yard. Uh-oh. Our worst enemy, waste management. Just kidding. I got a couple friends that work at Waste Management. It's all good in the hood. They do their thing, we do our thing. We're pretty much doing the same thing. We are back home. Oh, look at the mural. That looks awesome. Where is everybody? Still en route? Slow pose. I'm gonna park the truck close to the shop. I wrote up 2 different things. No parking. Just great. I'm gonna write up the top 3 clearance red lights up there. Came loose. Tamper seal on my fire extinguisher. Can't do anything about the bird poop. And the missing mud flap. And just like that, it's time to go home. Not too bad, just over 4 o'clock. If you're enjoying the fun, shows by using your thumb, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the like button, smash it, do what you gotta do. LA Danny out.